Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. I am Janki Kirtan Patel and today I am discussing about the power of play theories, benefits and best practices in early childhood education. The play-based learning is in the spotlight as a pedagogical method and a developmental need. We will discuss key theories which includes Piaget and cognitive stages, Vygotsky and sociocultural theory, and Erikson and psychosocial stages, as well as strategies. It is intended to assist you in creating the environment that promotes creativity, problem solving, and emotional well being according to the standards of EYLF and ACECQA. The studies validate the fact that play teaches the lifelong successful skills. We can start with reviewing the basics of some theories and realize that why play is on not only entertainment. Piaget considered children as constructive learners. Abstract through develops in symbolic play in the pre-operational stages where a block is played by using it as a phone. Teachers are able to present a range of materials and environments to put pressure on the and expand learning. The maths, languages, and co-operational skills are combined with the help of activities such as tower building or a pretend shop. Such freedom and structure promote exploration, which allows children to adjust, solve problems, and become resilient as they naturally develop in cognitive ages. Vygotsky regarded learning as a social activity. The zone of proximal development is the place of sweet spot where children can perform tasks they cannot do themselves with assistance. This is an ideal medium through which play is delivered. As another example, in role play, a teacher can introduce new words or problem solving stages, scaffold the learning process but not dominate it. Development it Development is also facilitated through peer interaction where children learn to model after each other. Through this strategy, confidence, communication, and cultural knowledge are built. According to Erikson, the stage of early childhood is the stage of flourishing initiative when it is properly cultivated. Through play, children get to experiment on new roles, choose and experience consequences in a secure environment. As an illustration, a pretend cafe will help the children to negotiate role, design menus, and take orders to their customers, which will increase the confidence of decision making. Excessively controlling environments, however, can kill creativity and instill fear of failure. Teachers are encouraged to promote self directed exploration that would enable children to create purposes, independences, and a positive self image. Pattern stages describe the development of social play. Toddlers are involved in solitary play. Preschools, Preschoolers exhibit parallel play frequently. Associative play introduces material sharing without mutual goals, whereas cooperative play forms a unity of the children in common goals. The awareness of these stages can assist an educator in shaping activities and encouraging empathy, cooperation, and conflict resolution skills. In Reggio Emilia inspired environments, teachers extend upon the interest of the children with supplementary materials that extend their investigation. The well-planned spaces arouse curiosity with natural light, material availability, and space flexibility. It is recorded that learning involves families and reflection to be creative and collaborative and own as well as conventional skills to develop this child hospitality. Montessori method allows the children to have freedom with structured choices that promote independence and concentration. Self-correction method encourage problem solving that does not require adult intervention. Teacher monitor and only intervene when necessary. The said balance promotes responsibility, persistence and curiosity, as well as natural development rhythms, contributing to a child being ready to success academically and engage in positive social situation in the future. Physical play develops important skills other than fitness. Fine motorcycle skills are enhanced by fine motor activities such as climbing and ball games that enhance coordinations and teamwork. Studies indicate that it leads to persistence and resilience. Activities done outdoor expose children to nature, which improves well being. Physical activity can support the health, academic preparedness, and social emotional growth every day. Environmental planning, problem solving, and symbolic thinking are encouraged by play rich environments as they are the cognitive development drivers. Pretend play helps to develop counting and organization and rule based games, develop logic, patience, and memory. Through explanation and negotiation, language skills are acquired by children. This combination experience boosts effective long-term learning results through the integration of cognitive and social development. Social play is a way of learning crucial skills in life by cooperating, taking turns, and obeying the rules. Role play builds the sense of empathy and peer interaction, enhance communication and conflict resolutions. Directed conflict turns into development movements. Integrative group play fosters friendships, self esteem, and cultural sensitivity and promotes academic and community community achievement. Play is essential for emotional growth. Role play helps children to build confidence via practicing decision making without the potential risk of the real world. In situations where play is difficult to cope with, such as losing a game, they learn how to deal with disappointment and continue with it. Orenstein and Levi's note that encouraging autonomy and lessening stress is achieved through supportive environment. Expressive activities such as art, drama, or storytelling gives children to opportunity to share and learn to deal with feelings. Embracing emotional expression in addition to academics, educators enable children to become resilient, empathetic, and self aware, which are essential features in dealing with school and life issues. Play quality depends on the layout of a learning space. Children are empowered to make decisions about what they do and are encouraged to be independent because of the availability of materials. There are quiet and intimate corners where a child can reflect and open places where children can move and play in groups. Learning environments that oppose walls are the outdoors. According to Kiran, The organization based on Montessori philosophy minimize clutter and promotes concentration. Through the development of environments that accommodate a variety of play styles and development needs, educators will foster exploration, imaginations, and socialization, and thereby allow all children to engage in play based learning in a meaningful and active way. Careful planning combines child directed learning and educator directed opportunities. The initial point, including children interest, will maintain the level of engagement, and the connection of activities to evaluate outcomes will make the curriculum relevance. As an example, in case the children like building, bring maths concepts to the block play. Emphasize applying the pattern stages to align the social readiness, providing small groups activities to engage in associative play or team tasks to cooperate. Finding the right balance between structure and freedom will enable the specific skill training to be achieved without compromising the fun and playful that make play based learning so good. Successful implementation blends support with autonomy. Teachers participate in play to take an idea further or to demonstrate new skills by asking what happens when. Emphasize scaffolding in order to progress children across their ZPD. Assessment is not a test, it is a constant monitoring, noting down instance of learning in the form of photos or notes. The provision of these to families would open up discussion and enhance home-school relationships. With this feedback loop, teachers are ready to adjust other activities to the individuals, making the play interesting, inclusive, and effective in the progress or process of developing the whole personality. Overall, play based learning is an evidence based, strong method of learning that supports development in all aspects. Best practices are directed by theoretical contribution of Piaget, Vioxy, Erikson, Parton, Montessori, and Reggio Emilia. Play is both fun and learning since it is planned and evaluated. Educators establish effective environments by organizing them in a thoughtful way by paying attention to the interest of the children and by embracing cultural diversity as a source of a fulfilling learning experience. Play is not an interruption to learning, it is the learning, the stepping stone to later success. Thank you for watching my vlog. If you have any queries, please comment below. Thank you.